Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Let's kill some. We're playing one tap right now. Ow. Not here, boy. Ugh. Ow. That hurt, guys. And welcome back to my channel. And you wanna see some videos, just go to my channel. And I'm so lagging. I'm so laggy. Wait guys, we're back. Hi guys. Not again. Nah. I'm so scared right now. Wah. Oh, bang, headshot. Ow. Nah. I'm gonna get a pistol. The revolver is mine.
You want to headshot? Okay.
See?
I want headshot.
I'm gonna headshot you, boy.
Headshot, my lord.
I'm gonna kill this guy. Let's use the sniper, I guess. Oh. Bang! Oh, I thought that was a headshot. Oh, no! Ow! Let's open it now, bro. And let's see to our shop, guys. Woo! Open a case. I guess. How to? Nah. I'm going back, bro. I'm going to play it. Nah. What's going on here? Whoa! What the hell? What's happening here? What?
I am the
Guys,
green bean.
naduduling ako. Guys, bakit ako naduduling? There's a girl right here. Ow! I got sniped. I'm gonna snipe it again. I'm gonna snipe it. No! Bacon! No bacon! No bacon! No bacon! No bacon!
No bacon.
I hate bacons.
Mango.
There's a bacon! I hate bacons. I'm gonna kill that bacon again.
Sige na nga, magdadalo na ako, Delta. Oy! Duga.
No! That bacon is gonna be mine. Bacon. I'm gonna snipe you. I'm gonna snipe you. Yeah. I'm gonna kill that green bean. Green bean.
Ako yun.
Ah, headshot. Ow! Why me? Let's kill some. Oh, fear blocks. What? I didn't eat that. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna just use the revolver, I guess.
Natry ko yung mga bago. Ay! Ay!
How did I fall?
Adrian!
Kill that guy. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Nah. 10 seconds left. Nah. Ooh. No, kill me. Don't kill me. I am under. What? Ooh, I got it. I got another. There's an alien. Let's play it again. Ooh. There's a house right here. Yeah. What the? I'm gonna. It's not Christmas.
Dinusok nila ako
I'm
dito.
gonna kill you. Where's he?
Ginawa nila ako papa dito.
I am the king, and no one. No, I'm for last, and then I'm for third. Wait, let's use this again. I see him. Bagang. No. Where's the hell? Oh my god. I see you, buddy. I see you. Oh! Why did not hit? Oh, there's a bacon. 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 Why? I am not the best aim. Oh! Oh!
View.
That was a good aim, guys. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. Woo! Ah! Ay, sabay ka.
May babagay pa!
Sabay? What the hell? Oh, quick scope. There's a hacker! May hacker? I am not... What the hell? I'm gonna kill you. The first place is the King Kong. I'm gonna kill you, King Kong. King Kong. King Kong, boy. Come here. Come here, big. Come here, you King Kong. Come here, King Kong. No! That King Kong is a real King Kong.
5, 6,
Hey, you not kill me.
8,
You are not gonna kill me, guys.
10.
Oh, oh. Bang! Someone just kill you. Hey, I'm in third place. Ow! Why me? I'm just only the king. Taking that guy. Ugh. Hey, I've got good game. Good aim.
Kaso kailangan ko pang 6.
I have good aim, guys. Nah. No one kill me. I am bossy. Paano mo nakuha yan yung kwan?
Ayaw makuha. Ayaw ma-download. Ay, Tommy Gun!
Why did it kill me, guys? Oh, I see him. Bye-bye. Oh. My friend says he's dying. No, don't kill me. I am a good guy, not you. Oh, that kill. That kill. There's a green bean. Van name. Ooh, there's a robot. No, no. You die. You will get killed, buddy. Get killed. Yeah. Why I'm in still? Ow. That King Kong. I'm gonna kill you, boy. Yes, I'm in second. A new alpha has come. No.
Igugupitin ko.
No, I am in second place. No, don't kill me, you King Kong. No. Why did I get killed? There's... Kill you, buddy. Ah! No! My friend just killed me. I will kill you too, buddy. I know you're a bacon. I know you don't play this game. I'm gonna kill you! No! Patay din siya! Patay din siya! He's got killed. Yeah, he got killed by me, the alpha. I'm the alpha, guys. Oh! I'm the alpha. I'm the alpha.
5 pesos, boy. Tingin 5 pesos.
I am the
alpha. 5 pesos.
I am the alpha, guys.
Pesos.
There's a King Kong. No!
Dollars.
The King Kong.
May dollars ba?
The King Kong just teleported.
Yung
What?
Yung
The
doon ka na dati, alam mo? Mga kan lang. Pang
Oh.
taxi lang nila, 500 Robux. Meron ka na.
No! Kill! Get killed!
Ay! Dito ako! Dito ako!
What the hell? I just killed him. Right? King Kong! Why is it laggy? Ow! I quick shotted him. I am in second place.
Nilalaro ito nga.
No.
No, bro. I don't like King Kong.
I hate King Kong. Kill Van. I will kill you too, buddy. Where? There's a girl! Ah!
You kill me, bro.
Ay, dito yung astig na gan ko.
I'm gonna kill that King Kong. Nandito si King Kong.
Oh, napatay niya ako.
Saan siya? Where's the hug? The King Kong. With the big nose.
Ay, ang lakas ko agad, oh.
Auntie King
Oh!
Ang lakas ko.
Patay ko si King Kong.
Pew! Yeah, got killed, buddy. Don't stop me, bro. Ekoy, just join!
dyan. Dyan sila.
Oh! Lumipad ako! There's the King Kong. Ow!
Bakit dito yung weapon ko?
Ow! Nah. I will get revenge. Quick shot, headshot. Whoa. I'm gonna kill Ekoy. No, the bacon. I will kill Ekoy today. Hahaha. Woo! Woo! Patay. Oh! I see a guy right here. You! Quick soap! Oh, quick soap! Quick soap! Ay, hindi. No, what am I saying? Soap. Quick scope! Nah! Soap? No! Kill you, Fearbox. I'm gonna kill you, Ekoy. You killed me. I kill you.
No, bro.
Ekoy! Oh! I'm gonna knife you, boy. Ah. Knife you. Knife.
Good
Backstab! Backstab!
Ay!
Ah! They kill yow! You fear rocks. I'm gonna kill you, boy. I know where you are, boy. Fear rocks. Whoa! How did I miss that? Woo! Woo! Yeah! Oh! There's a girl right here. Oh! Don't kill me, girl. Wah! A girl saying, kill me. The best. Oh! Oh! I killed him. 10 seconds left.
Inspired ako.
There's a King Kong. There's a King Kong. King Kong ready. No! What is this?
Paano
Don't
bumili
kill
ng
him.
case?
I got a knife.
Paano bumili ng cases?
I don't know.
Case?
Ay, dito yung dahil ko mga skin.
Let's go. Let's go. How to get a revolver?
Ako, ala.
Oh, piso. Knife. Kill effect. No, I don't wanna have. Naglalaro na ko. Ayogad.
Kuha ko, hindi ko mahanap yung ano. Bilihan lang pa rin.
Boy, sino ka, boy? Bakit? Ba't ka naman maril?
Wala mang patayan nga, boy. Patayan nga, koy. Si-quick scope ko kayo lahat. Ala na. Oh. Quick scope! King Kong! King Kong! Ah!
Saan tingin ko?
Bakit second? No, you're not second place.
Baka, boy!
Bakit? King Kong! King Kong! King Kong! Go! Ah! Ah!
Si romantic ko.
Ah! Ooh, I see that guy. Bakit kayo nasa taas? Dapat ako lang. Wait, a minute. Tataas din ako. Don't you worry. Papatayan sila dito.
Boy!
Bakit ako pag fort? Woo! Ay, what the hell? Oh. Ah!
Boy!
Are you
Ba't
Albert?
narinig ko?
Roy?
Boy!
Are you Albert? Where are you? Ekoy!
May hacker!
Hacker! Ay, lumilipad?
Hindi.
Bakit ako pang last?
Bakit ako pang second? Pupir na to, ha?
Rayo Alberto!
Talo ako ng picture!
Knife yung buddy.
Napatakin ko na to eh.
Pag na-knife ako.
Alin, sabi?
Bang! Yeah. Oh! How did I? What the? Kill you!
Ayan guys!
That's a comeback.
Wala akong nakikita. O paano ba yan?
Look guys, I'm gonna get a headshot. You can see. Look. Wow. Look, I will go. Oh, headshot! Oh, headshot! Oh. I'm gonna oh! Ah! Nah. Ooh! Ah, kill you, buddy. Don't in my spawn.
Wala akong makita ng kalaban!
Why? King Kong! King Kong! No! King Kong. Wow! Bakit ako pang less? Ikaw pang first, boy. Nah. Bakit ako pinapatay ni King Kong? Fear blocks. Ah.
Patay si King Kong.
Patay niyo yan. Woo! What the hell? What just happened? Ang bilis mo! Headshot! Magna-knife ako, guys. I saw that. Fear blocks! Where are you? Oh, fear blocks! Hehehehe! You know, Sino kinakalaban mo ngayon? Ow! They hate me. I see my friend.
Quick shot!
Quick shot.
Quick shot!
Yo, what's up? Hehehe. Bakit ako pang fourth? Uy! Isa tayo. Oh! Sino yan? Ah! Paano? I'm missing. I'm missing. What the hell? Oh, no! Don't kill me, girl. I can't kill you. No! Don't kill me. I am a god. No! Yes! Hey, blocks. I'm coming for you.
Puro ko napapatay si Fear Block.
Yun nga, ang hina niya. Patay si Ekoy. Ah! Hinatay din. No! No. I'll kill you, buddy. No! Ow! Bro, huh? What's up, guy? Oh, King Kong, the Almacenes. Woy! Patay din siya!
Yan si King Kong Almusal!
Oh!
King Kong Almusal! King Kong Almusal!
How? I'm locked in now, chat. I'm locked in.
Pinapatay ko si King Kong Almusal!
I'm gonna kill my friend. You're scary, buddy. You're scary. Buti naman ginamit ko yung knife. Guys. My heartbeat is so racing. Fear blocks. Get killed, buddy. Why am I still fourth? What the poop? Ekoy, I see you. Why did you kill me? There's a girl right there. Yo. I knife you. Body hates yo. I'm gonna murder you all. Where are you guys? I'm gonna knife you all. And I need to find you.
Boy, ganun na green bean.
Get killed, buddies. Get killed, buddies. Get killed. Get killed, buddies. Get killed. Get killed, buddies. Get killed. Get killed. Get killed. Woo! Patay din siya! Wow! Kill you. Kill you. Kill you. Ow! Why, guys? Why did you hate me? See. Nah. 10 seconds left. No. I need to get a kill. Get a kill. Get a kill. Oh, fuck!
I'm the winner.
Fuck!
Jump. Ay!
Oh, may napapatayan na.
Ay, ba't di ko yung una?
Ako mauna. Ako pakialam. Mauna ako. Mauna ba? Wow! Bakit Ikoy ko? Massacre to si Ikoy oh. Di na ako makaputay-putay. Hindi ako massacre. Why? Why am I not a massacre? Ah! You King Kong head. You're the King Kong guy.
Nakita niyo si King Kong?
Oo.
Saan siya?
Nasa puso ko.
Eh, yo!
Patay si King Kong! Patay si Labing isa! Bulalo. Pinatay ako ni Bulalo, guys.
Oh! Ah! Bakit ako? Bakit ako tinatarget niyo? Bakit ako target niyo? Iyo! Get you, girl.
Bulalo!
Hey! Ow!
Talo sila Bulalo!
I am in fifth. Hello! I'm gonna lock in.
Ba't ako nakakapatay?
I'm gonna lock in. Why is it laggy? Get me to play the game.
Bra!
Jump me.
No!
Jump.
Yo, wait lang, may natawag.
I'm going to kill you all. I'm going to kill you all. May pumatay sa akin. Oh, yo, I cannot kill this girl. Like, yeah. Ooh.
Saka masamang tao ka.
Massacre. Ooh, King Kong, bang bang, bang bang, chicken gang,
Bang, bang,
Mexify.